Hey there, it's Casey Dimon, TaxSaleAcademy.com, and welcome to our weekly question segment. This week's question comes to us from Jerome. It says, brand new tax sale investor here. What's the number one piece of advice you would give me? Great question, and it might be obvious to some people who have watched me for a long time. That's to learn what you are doing. It's very, very simple. Now, what happens is a lot of people get into the tax sale business, and they're very, very optimistic, but they are not very informed. So on the outside looking in, tax sale investing looks like you are buying tax default real estate at one price, hopefully sell them at a higher price, and you make the money. That is it in its simplest form, but the problem is there's a lot of things involved in the tax sale business outside of simply buying tax default real estate and reselling it for more money, right? We have things like title issues, research problems, marketing issues, understanding the laws. There's literally so much when it comes to this business. And what happens is people jump right in. They start buying properties and they run into an issue buying properties, or they buy properties and then they run into an issue once they own a property, which is even worse. I've seen a lot of people that have come to me after the fact asking what they can do. You know, I bought this property and it's been demolished, or I bought this property and it was landlocked, or I overpaid, or whatever it is. There's so many people that come to me those types of issues. There's a lot of other people that come to me with issues such as title clouds. They were not aware that there are title clouds on tax defaulted properties, which means they got to invest more money into it, and now they're out of money and they're trying to figure out what to do. There's so many different issues, so many different angles involved in this business that is a lot more complicated than just buying a property here and then selling it here. So my suggested advice for somebody, the number one piece of advice that I have, is to learn what you are doing. There's lots and lots of different ways to do that. Now, if you choose to learn from somebody online, please do me a huge favor. Make sure you vet that person. Make sure you look at their experience. Make sure you see how much they have contributed to the tax sale investors community, right? There's a lot of people, because of things like iPhones and, you know, video cameras and TikToks and this and that, it's super easy to call yourself an expert, but a lot of these people have only been investing for a year or two. So make sure you find somebody that has been through all sorts of market cycles, invested in multiple different markets, and somebody has accurate advice, right? There's a lot of people that are out there trying to sell stuff that's just inaccurate, unfortunately. So my advice, again, take advantage of free trainings like this one right here. I've got 800 plus videos here on YouTube. I got lots of podcasts that are great starting points. If you want more information, grab this book right here, Tax Sale Playbook. Kind of puts everything into perspective for you. That book right there is completely free. All I ask is you pay the nominal shipping cost, $4.97, to get it shipped from our warehouse to your front door. Then, of course, if you do want more step-by-step comprehensive type training, I offer that through the Tax Sale Academy. Whether you learn from myself or anybody else, before you go out there and start investing your hard-earned money, please, please, please take the time, put forth the effort to learn what you are doing. If you take any advice from me at all, that is it. Learn everything possible about this business before you invest 1 cent into a tax lien or tax deed. So Jerome, hopefully this helps you out. Obviously, for more information on what we offer, check the links down below in the video description. Hey, take care, folks. Bye-bye.